Good morning, students. As you remember that before the vacations, I have already given you the syllabus and we have completed the portion of the pre-med test, and in fact some more chapters we have completed. So once again I am reminding you regarding your pre-med portion that from reader you have to prepare first 3 chapters, and from grammar also first 3 chapters you have to prepare. Okay, and your test is going to be start from 13th of July. So just keep on revising your lesson. As you remember that we have completed till chapter noun in grammar, and I told you to be update with your work and complete your books and copies. So this chapter we have already completed. So today I am going to start this new lesson. And then what's a new lesson? The name of the lesson, that is the pronouns. So now let's know about this lesson. So what is a pronoun? First of all, pronoun is a word which we use in place of a noun. Okay, so what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word we use in place of a noun. It helps us refer to the noun and avoid the repetition. Okay, and avoid repeating it. So what it does, that it avoid the repetition of the noun again and again in the same sentence. As you can see here, Pooja is 12 years old. Pooja has a younger sister. So Pooja is 12 years old, and again Pooja is written here. So at the place of this name, this pronoun we have used here, she. In the same way, there are other pronoun also, and they all are divided according to their kinds. So you can see here in the form of a table also in your book it is given regarding the pronoun, and I'll also, along with this video also, I'll send you the definitions which you have to write in your grammar copy. Okay, so kinds of pronoun. First kind, that is the personal pronoun. So what is the personal pronoun? This personal pronoun, it refers to the person, thing or the group. Okay, basically it refers to the person or a thing. Means these pronouns are used at the name of a person or a thing. Okay, at the place of the things we use here, that is it, and at the place of the names of the person we use these pronouns. Okay, now see here, and this personal pronoun, it's having its 3 different forms. First form, that is a first person pronoun, second is a second person pronoun, and third is the third person pronoun. When I'll give you the definitions, I'll give you the definitions of these things also. So what's the first person pronoun? First person pronoun, it refers to the I, me. Okay, I, me, we also, in this first person pronoun. And who is the first person? First person is the speaker. So who is the speaker here? I am speaking, so I am the first person here. And the second person is the listener. So who is the listener here? You. Okay, means the person who is listening. Third person pronoun, it refers to the third person, somebody else, third party. Neither the person who is speaking nor the person who is the listener, about somebody else about whom we are talking. Now the second kind, that is your possessive pronoun. So what is a possessive pronoun? These are some of the possessive pronouns here: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Okay, and it shows that someone owns something. This possessive pronoun, it shows the ownership of something. Okay, it shows the belongingness of something. For example, you can see here that this bag is mine. Okay, so what is the mine here? Mine is your possessive pronoun. Those shoes are hers. So those shoes are hers means those shoes belongs to her. This is also your possessive pronoun. Okay, and one more thing, that these possessive pronouns, they are never used before a noun. Okay, they are never used before a noun because they are used to replace the noun. Okay, because they are used to replace the noun. They never be used before a noun. You can see here. Okay, in the example. Now the third type, that is about a demonstrative pronoun. So what is a demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronouns are such pronouns which are used to point out the things. Okay, which are used to point out the things and also stands for the thing that is pointed out. For example, here you can see that is Amar. So here, what is that? That is your possessive pronoun. Those are apple trees. So those, what is the those here? Those is your possessive pronoun. So this is your possessive pronoun. You can take some other examples also. Now the next type, that is a reflexive pronoun. This you can see here, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. All these are the reflexive pronoun. So what is a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun are those pronouns which refers back to the subject of the sentence. Which refers back to the subject of the sentence. You can see here, for example, Roshan fell from the swing and hurt himself. You can see here, Roshan fell from the swing and hurt himself. This is your reflexive pronoun and it is reflecting back to the subject here.